Just got back from Tractor Supply. I got me 20 panels. They're 30 bucks each there, so it's cheaper than anywhere else. And then some 6.5 foot T-posts. It was like 800 bucks for all of it. So I still need more T-posts, but I didn't have enough cash at the moment to buy it all. So I'm gonna go put in the trellises for the tomatoes and the cucumbers. I got the 20 cattle panels off the trailer, and it takes a lot of time to go get stuff and load it and unload it, and it just takes a little bit of time. We're putting in the trellis for the tomatoes. So I've got a pile driver, which I got on eBay for 200 bucks, and it's awesome. Saves so much time. But I go and kind of guesstimate where I want the first one, and then I go off that. I already put one in that's way fast because it's already wet ground. So I put one in, start this guy up. Was the best investment. It was 200 bucks on eBay. It's just a post hole driver. It says pile driver on it. It just basically is kind of like one of those deck things that just pound in the Tico nails, but for posts, and it's awesome. It takes 5 minutes to get these in. You can pound 4 of those T-posts in really fast. I love this thing. It takes so much work to hit them with a sledgehammer. I decided not to waste all the space inside and do a row, and I think the carrots will like the shade from the tomatoes, hopefully. And then we're not wasting all this walkway, and it'll still be beautiful. We can still walk in here and pick tomatoes and trim, and it'll be cool. A lot of them to do, huh, Gray?
Yeah.
Yeah.